What is up, you guys, and welcome to the Marvin Crime channel. Today I want to show you how to make a 16-year-old car like this look like it's new, or look like it's a 2019 car. So let's get to it. First and foremost, okay, maintenance is the main issue. Maintenance, you got to keep up on the maintenance of your car, otherwise it's not going to run good. Best way to keep up with maintenance is look in your owner's manual and go from there. See what maintenance needs to be done and vice versa. Now this is a 2003 Ford Focus. I had this car for 10 years, I should say 10 years, and so far it's been taken well care. I do wash it, as you can see. I take good care of it. Let me just show you a secret real quick on what I use to make it. So after I wash, this is a detail spray that I like to use on it. This is actually something new I just started using. It works pretty well. If you got a black car, it's real good with hiding swirl marks and stuff like that. This is my microfiber towel I use. It's real soft. That way it doesn't, harm the paint when you drying it off and stuff. It's pretty hard to tell. It's hard to tell how clean it is because, it's a gloomy day out here. It's pretty cloudy, but you can pretty much see the shine just a little bit. That's all the detail spray. That detail spray does a good job of making this car look like it's brand new. The rims, you can't tell on camera, they are a little dusty because I've been driving the car. So yeah, this is how you keep a 16-year-old car looking good, just by taking care of it. Now we on the inside now. It's a little junky in here, so I'm not gonna too much show the inside. With America's holding on to their cars a lot longer than what they used to hold on to. The average age for a car out here is 12 years. Things I should say, are holding on to their cars a lot longer now because new cars are very, very expensive now. While you do get the technology and newer cars, 2019 or etc., are a lot safer, got more technology advances on it, they are also very expensive. The average price for a base model car you could probably get for $40,000, and these car manufacturers, they expect you to pay top dollar if you want all the bells and whistles, like the extra features on it, like navigation, stuff like that. So why not hold on to your current car if there's nothing wrong with it? Okay. Now, I live in the northern states, so yeah, we do get some snow during the winter time, a lot of snow and a lot of salt. And I don't really drive this car in the winter time no more, but I used to, and I just want to show you something real quick. There's a little bit of rust trying to form there, which will probably be taken care of in the future, but I'm not too worried about it now. It's not a big issue. So now there are a few stone chips here. Of course, that's from driving on the freeway, following behind semi trucks a little too closely. So just do a quick walk around. The windows are tinted as well. I did 20% all the way around, even though they look darker than that, for the simple reasons because police in this area don't like to mess around. They don't mess around out here when it comes to tents. I probably would go darker, but time will tell. So again, this is a 16-year-old car, people. 16 years old. It's got 128,000 miles on it. A lot of people have been asking me, well, why are you holding on to this car? Well, for one, the car is paid off, well maintained, and it hasn't been giving me problems. Why get rid of it? And with 128,000 miles, I can trade it into the dealership and they're gonna be like, well, we can give you $1,700 for it. I might as well just keep it. So value what you have. If you drive an older car, take care of it. I mean, if you're a car person like me, you drive an older car, forget what other people say. I mean, if your car is a 03, 04 or older and it looks good, looks almost as new, why not hold on to it? why not hold on to it? So that ends this video, people. I just want to show you guys what a 16-year-old car looks like, well taken care of. Probably in the future I'll probably upload some videos of how to wash a car like this. I do hand wash most of the time, but I also go through touchless car washes as well. So let's just get a close-up on the paint. So yeah, it's kind of hard to tell when it's a gloomy day out here. So let's do one more walk around for y'all. There's a exhaust tip. It's a stock exhaust. I just put that on to make it seem like it's loud, but it's not really loud. I just put that on to make it look cool. So there you have it. 2003 Ford Focus, perfect condition. Take ownership, take pride of what you own. It doesn't matter what you drive. You can make a car like this look like a 2019 car. And I had people come up to me and ask me, oh, what year is your car? Oh, it's an 03. It's an 03? Wow, it looks new. That's all the waxing and just washing and stuff like that. Now, you don't necessarily have to wash your car every day, but we'll get to that in a minute. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe if you want to see more. I'm gonna probably post a video of me washing it and what's my technique of washing it. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe. This is a new channel. Well, it's not really new. It's been around for a while, but I just started making videos. So, this is how 20% look. Kind of hard for someone to see in. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching.